Just recently purchased a Dell Streak and this wonderful DSi keyboard. This keyboard is actually, obviously it's a mini keyboard. It's great for traveling, airplanes and things like that. Small form factor, but much easier to type on than the touchscreen keyboards with the Android operating system. What's also very interesting about this keyboard too now is that it has an integrated scroll wheel, mouse, and left and right mouse clicks. Great for if you're browsing the web or browsing documents. You can scroll up and down those documents without actually physically having to touch the screen here on the Android. And then also select hyperlinks or select options with the right click on the mouse click without necessarily having to go touch the screen to do that. So once again, some very, very interesting and great functionality with this particular keyboard. It can be purchased in a lot of different retail sites. I got this one from Datacal Enterprises. But anyway, what I'll do is I'll show you how to pair this with the Streak, and then just kind of show you demonstrate some of the capabilities with the scroll wheel and mouse click. Right now, I believe Android does not have cursor support. If it does, this mouse will actually physically work. So anyway, let's get started. The first step here is to go ahead and just make sure that your battery's installed. There is a little cover that goes over the top of this. It's just right now I just have taken it off to show you that the battery is installed. Next step is then there's a little switch right here. You have to switch it from off to on. So move it all the way to the left. And then here is a little button right here which puts it in discovery mode. You press that, and you can determine that the keyboard is actually physically in discovery mode when the actual blue LED is blinking. Let's go ahead and turn the Streak on. We'll go over here to the settings area. Select the wireless and networks options, and then go over to the Bluetooth is enabled. The first step is make sure your Bluetooth is enabled, so there's a little check mark right here. Go over to Bluetooth settings, and then what we'll do is then scan for devices. The Bluetooth keyboard shows up here. We go ahead and select that. It's in pairing mode. We enter in the PIN number. It can be any PIN number, but we'll just, for simplicity's sake, just select 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then return. And press OK. And then back here on the keyboard, select 4 zeros, 2, 3, 4, and then enter. And it should be showing up here as connected. So the Bluetooth keyboard is currently connected. So we'll go back to the main page here. And let's select an app. Let's select Google Search. So we'll go to yahoo.com, or do a search on yahoo.com. And then press enter. Yahoo will pop up. Great responsiveness. There's hardly any delay between the actual typing of the actual characters and actually being presented up on the screen. So to kind of show you some of the integrated scroll wheel, here it is. It's actually this little line here off to the right-hand side of the keyboard. And you actually can go ahead and scroll down the web page. So if you're in a document or a lengthy email, no longer do you have to go and scroll down with the side and actually put your hands on the screen. You can actually use this device to scroll down. It makes it very, very convenient. You can be laying back, having this up on some sort of pedestal or stand, the Dell Streak, and then you're able to go ahead and scroll up and down. Let's just, we'll just say the wall, go select one of these articles we want to read. Let's just go over here to power lines in progress in Japan. Obviously the Japan tsunami hit a couple days ago here. And then we can go ahead and press this button right here. And it actually has selected that, and then goes into this particular article, and you can scroll down again. Some interesting functions on the key, just to kind of go. It has a page up, page down, so just press the function key. Page up, page down, and home. So the home button actually works. If you do press home, it'll actually go to the main page. Very interesting. So anyway, fully integrated solution here. Integrated mouse functionality, integrated page up, page down. And so it's a great simple device. If it's something, it's not much larger. It's a little bit larger than the Dell Streak. You can kind of put it on there. So if you're on a long flight, very easy to put into a briefcase, and you really no longer really have to use take advantage of the full screen of the tablet for writing and do the data entry directly with the Bluetooth keyboard. So great value. I think it runs $40, $50, some in that neighborhood. And like I said, you can pick these up on a lot of different retail sites, catalog sites, as well as Datacal, where I got this one from.